Welcome to WebStarBrush. In this video, I will show you how to disable Facebook notifications from Facebook app. I receive a lot of notifications from Facebook groups and pages just because someone mentions everyone or tags a lot of people. Most of these are irrelevant to me. So here is how we can stop these annoying notifications from Facebook app. To do that, open Facebook, press three lines at the top, select Settings and Privacy, select Settings. Under Preferences, select Notifications. And here are notification settings for everything on Facebook. You can selectively turn off notifications for specific activities, or you can scroll down. Under where you receive notifications, you can control all notifications. For example, to turn off push notifications, select Push, mute push notifications. And from here you can select the time. For example, 1 hour or 8 hours. Similarly, you can adjust notification frequency in email and SMS. To control email notifications, press Email, select Email frequency, and from here you can select all suggested or required notifications. I have selected required notifications, and this is for minimum notifications. The one thing that annoys me the most is mention notifications spam. So to turn that off, I will select tags. And from here, I can turn off batch mentions. So this is the place to turn off any or all notifications in Facebook app. And if you want to disable all push notifications once and for all, go to Mobile Settings, select Apps, search Facebook and select it. Select Notifications, turn off notifications from here. And this is how you can disable Facebook notifications. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.